You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these word correctly in English. For more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos you should listen to learn British English pronunciation. Concert. Concert. The R is not pronounced really in British English. Concert. Now, in American English, it's usually pronounced as concert. Con, a more open A sound. Concert. Concert. American English pronunciation, the stress is always on the first syllable. Concert, British English. Concert, American English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.